In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the DM settings on Discord. So basically, you'll have to go to your Discord, whether it's in the browser or if you have it downloaded, just go and open it up and make sure you're logged in into your account. So what you'll need to do first is simply go to your settings. As you can see, you'll find this at the bottom left. Here we are. Just go and click on the user settings. Here, you'll find an example if you go exactly to so in here, just go on this left panel, and from here, an example, you'll have to look for, here we are, content and social. So just go and click on that, and this will take you here. So in here, as you can see, contents, first of all, like sensitive media, direct message from friends. If you want to be able to see it, see it. If you want to blur it, you'll be able to blur it, or show about sensitive media. So direct message from others. If you would just want to block it right away or blur it, totally up to you. And the messages in server channel as well. You can show it or blur it. This is an example. This is DM from friends, this is DM from others, and this is in servers. So we have also this direct message spam. So automatically send DMs that may search and spam into a separate spam inbox. So you can filter all DMs will be filters for spam. DMs from non-friends will be filters for spam. Or do not filter. DMs will not be filters for spam. So choose the one that you want to edit the settings of DM. And here, as you can see, you can also allow access to age restricted commands from app and direct messages. Also allow access to add restricted servers on iOS. This is just for servers. And here, as you can see, direct messages allow DMs from other server members if you want to. And here, message requests filter messages from server members you may not know. And like for friend requests as well, you'll be able to change the settings. So that's are the basically settings of the DM that you can change on Discord. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.